it's Isabella from Darton Partners. Welcome to Park Road, Dawlish. Let me show you around. This is a newly converted 4-bed townhouse situated in the centre of Dawlish. This is a 3-storey property with all brand new features, consisting of a new roof and sliding sash windows, as well as new flooring, electric and plumbing. The kitchen benefits from an integrated high-sense rapid heat ceramic hob and a multi-function oven with steam cooking, as well as an integrated dishwasher. This is the first double bedroom. This is the second bedroom on the first floor, which can also be used as an office space with dual aspect windows. The shower room on the first floor features a rainhead shower. And this other feature, which I really love, is the illuminated movement sensor mirror. Finally, on this floor, there's a utility room. Let me take you to the second floor. Both of the bedrooms are doubles. This cupboard space could be a great walk-in wardrobe. And finally, this is the bathroom. Alongside of the property, there's an external storage area suitable for bins and bicycles.